Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Dr. Cornehl from the Dental Studio in San Francisco, and today we're discussing do-it-yourself teeth whitening versus professional teeth whitening. Which is better, and which will you get the best results with? So I get asked all the time, will Crest White Strips work for me? And the answer is, it really depends. You have to remember that it's a non-prescription strength product, and if you're not wanting to go super bright or your teeth are already fairly bright, it might work for you. It's definitely worth a try. But most people, it's a one-size-fits-all tray. It doesn't cover all their teeth, and if you have any crowding at all, it just doesn't fit well. And so you spend lots of time wearing these trays day after day, and you just don't get the results that you would get if you did a more professional tooth whitening product. Whether it's in-office teeth whitening or custom trays, ultimately that's going to be the best way to whiten your teeth more efficiently and more effectively. All right guys, I hope you found those options for teeth whitening useful. If you have any additional questions, please give us a call or text message at 415-392-5025. Visit our practice website at dentalstudiosf.com. Don't forget to subscribe below to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Until next time, see you later.